Hi guys, so here at Plym Trail, Christmas, actually a weekend this year, as there was so much demand that Davey put on another day. I have my jolly running buff because I also am running the Children's Hospice Southwest virtual Santa run this weekend to raise funds for Children's Hospice Southwest. I'll link my Just Giving page below. I just kind of aim to raise £20. Considering not many events have gone on this year due to COVID, and it'd be nice to help the children out there at Children's Hospice Southwest in North Devon. So yeah, here might get a little bit of shower, but I've got my old waterproof coat in my bag and another top because it might get cold later. So yeah, here we are, day one. Hopefully we'll do today and then be day 2 tomorrow. I did that in January, so surely I can do it again. And I need to do it again because I've got all 4 weekends booked in next year. So yeah, I will catch you up down the way. So here, back at Clearbrook in Plymouth. You start, head up a small hill out at the top of the village, and then you turn round again, back down the hill into the village. So, it turned out to be a glorious morning down here. So just crossing a bridge, high bridge. So this is the old railway line, and heading down to the station and then the turnaround point. When the sun comes out, it's really bright, but it's really nice December morning. Just taking it easy, and yeah, see you in a bit. So here at the railway station, this time of year there's most likely would be a steam train with Father Christmas on, but obviously not this year. I don't think due to COVID, but I did just see Santa down there, so maybe they're doing a little bit of something, but normally there's a steam train here. So yeah, about a mile to the halfway point. So yeah, let's go. There's loads of these little sculptures along the trail. Hi guys, just finished back in the hall because it's just about to tip down outside. Yeah, all done. So yeah, on the way back took it really steady and just didn't look at my watch and just waited for the watch to beep for another mile. So yeah, it's ticked along. Yeah, just about to rain, so I'm going to get changed. Yeah, day 1 done. So here's to tomorrow. Might be a little bit of walking tomorrow, but we'll see. So yeah, just about to rain, so that's why I've come inside. So yeah, thanks guys, I'll pick you up later. In the village there's loads of these belted Galloway cows which are just gorgeous. Some flapjacks from Flapjackery and my new legging from Flanchy Christmas design. So here at Plym Trail, day number 2. As you can see, totally different weather than yesterday. So this is day number 2. This is also for Children's Hospice Southwest virtual Santa run, and also the start of White Star Running's 12 days of Christmas. Of course, I would not be running the next 12 days. It'd be run, walk and work out. Just clean the lens, and got my new Halo coat from Run Venture because definitely need a waterproof coat today, and mine is too old and too big. So yeah, gorgeous weather. We're just gonna have to plod, get wet and cope with it. So yeah, I haven't got my race pack on. I've got my spy belt on and gel in the pocket of my new Flanchy leggings. So yeah, gross. My face says it all. Looks like cobwebs, but it's not. I think it's a reflection from the light. So yeah. Hi guys, so all done, just about to get changed. That was tough. About 4 minutes quicker than yesterday, which is good. I wasn't aiming, so I was just plodding along. I think kind of the rain made it that I want to go, quicker. Love my new jacket. Every time I thought I would like unzip or take it off, it kept raining. So yeah, I have never been so wet in my life. So yeah, Flim Trail day 2 done, so I've ended the year how I started it. I did the double back in January and I've ended it how I've started it, which is amazing. After the year everyone's had, it's great to finish on a high. Also, I was the fastest aggregate half marathon over the weekend, so that's really cool as well. But well done to Alice, she ran the double half, and well done to Davey and the team. Well done to all the feed stations for being out in this weather. So thanks very much. But time to get changed and head on home and have some lunch. So, cheers guys. Please like this video, subscribe, hashtag killing it, and if you can spare a penny, please visit my Just Giving page and support Children's Hospice Southwest. So thanks guys. Time to get changed, I'm going to get cold. Thank you. More videos of the cows because I do just love them. And my beautiful medals of the weekend.